ABML morning update. Dovish hold or a cautious cut? MPC faces a tough call as it balances mixed macro signals with record low inflation and robust GDP on one side and a sharply weakening Indian rupee on the other. Global markets. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite rose slightly on Thursday as investors prepared for next week's interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve. The broad-based index inched up to close at 6,857.12, while the Nasdaq Composite traded higher to finish at 23,505.14. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped just 31.96 points to 47,850.94. Mounting signs that the labor market is softening has led Wall Street to be convinced the Fed will cut rates a quarter percentage point at its December meeting, the last of the year. Markets are pricing in an 87% chance of a cut next Wednesday, far higher than just a couple weeks ago, according to the CME FedWatch tool. European stocks ended Thursday in positive territory, with the Stoxx 600 closing 0.45% higher for the day. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on December 4th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.19% at 85,265 and the Nifty was also up 0.18% at 26,034. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 11 points at 26,177, signaling a flattish start to the trading session. A US trade delegation is expected to arrive in New Delhi next week for a new round of discussions aimed at easing bilateral tensions. According to an Indian government source, the visit signals renewed engagement between the two countries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration is particularly focused on securing relief from the punitive tariffs imposed by President Donald Trump. These tariffs have affected several key Indian export sectors and strained economic ties. India hopes the talks will create room for a constructive resolution. Officials believe that reducing these trade barriers could strengthen long-term cooperation. The delegation's visit is therefore seen as a significant diplomatic opportunity. Both sides are preparing to negotiate terms that could reset trade momentum in a positive direction. Focus for the day. RBI monetary policy. US core PCE. Key corporate developments or policy actions. Zen-Tech received orders worth 120 crore rupees from Defence Ministry to supply comprehensive training node. British American Tobacco, BAT, to offload shares worth nearly 3,000 crore rupees in ITC hotels at a float price of 205 rupees and 65 paise via large deals on Friday. HCL Tech has partnered with Strategy for global adoption of AI-powered semantic layer strategy Mosaic. JSW Steel has entered into a joint venture agreement with Japan's JFE Steel Corporation for the steel business of Bhushan Power and Steel Limited, BPSL. The JV creates a 50-50 partnership through JSW Kalinga Steel, with JFE investing 15,750 crore rupees for its stake. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 16.81 billion rupees. DII bought for 31.88 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.